Morning. Okay, so to change the parameters for the quizzes that Carol created, there's two ways to do that. You can actually go through the Cengage Now homework app here um, and manipulate them at this point. As soon as it loads here. Okay, so we can locate the quiz here, go to edit here, edit options, continue. And then we can manipulate the times allowed right here. Again, if you want to change the number of minutes they have to do that, you can do that right here. If you want to shuffle the student questions, do that right there. So you manipulate it here and say done, and then it'll automatically save for each of the assignments. Now you can also do it directly through the learning path. Just make sure your edit tab's on here. Click edit, down here, edit activity options, and then you'll be presented with the same exact sheet. So sometimes I think for something quick like that, it might be the easiest to do it right through this one here. I don't know if the batch edit will work on this. Let's see if I want to do them all at the same time. Edit settings, I'm not sure. Yep, that's not gonna, you can change the point value right there that way, but if you want to edit that option, let me know. If you want me to do it for you on all of your quizzes, I'm happy to do so. Hopefully this answers your question. If not, let me know.